All right, today, Italian sausages with peppers, onions, and marinara. I season my peppers and onions with salt, pepper, and garlic, a little bit of Lori seasoning salt, and a little bit of onion powder. Artesian sausage rolls is what we're using today. Those are really, really good. So we're starting off cooking our peppers and onions with the seasoning, a little bit of butter and oil, cooking them down, just letting them cook down for a while. And we got our sausages and brats and some beef ribs on the Rectech 700 smoker. We're going to do that about 250 for 30 minutes, and we're going to raise it up to about 300 for another 20 minutes or so. As the peppers cook down and the marinara heats up, just kind of cook everything slow, let it warm up real good. So that's the marinara sauce, and here we are at the grill again. And I think these are just about done. They've been on for about 45 minutes. Sausages on the left, Italian sausages, and the brats on the right. And I got some beef ribs warming up there. So we're back here at the stove. The peppers and onions look like they're pretty cooked down. Bread's getting ready to get buttered up and toasted on the grill. Marinara sauce is nice and hot and ready to go. Let's go bring in the brats. Here we go. We got the brats on the bottom there and the Italian sausages on the top, cooked to perfection. They are amazing. Let's plate them up. There they are. Italian sausages with peppers and onions, and a little bit of marinara sauce on a toasted bun. Artesian roll, actually. And my God, are these things good. I highly recommend you trying them. Anyway, they are definitely going to be hot. So let's take a bite and see how they are. I pretty much guarantee these are awesome. Definitely. Let's see. Yeah, I'm saying thumbs up. Let's do it. These are great.